What's going on, guys? I'm Chrissy Whispers and welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to be opening up that Sword and Shield Era tin with the Scarlet Violet packs that I did in my last video and a couple of extra Paradox Rift booster packs that I had laying around from when I broke down the build and battle stadiums. Can't forget the reasons. We're in the hobby. We started because we enjoyed ripping packs. We're here still because we enjoy ripping packs. We are pure degenerates. So let's flip the camera around and see what we can pull tonight and bring it back to what it all started. All right, guys. You guys all saw the tin in the last video. You already know what's inside. Camera shake there. Got Scarlet Violet base, Paldea evolved, and a extra Scarlet Violet base. So we got 2, 2, and 4 packs. I guess we'll keep some order to it. And I haven't ripped packs in a while. Really haven't ripped a lot of Scarlet Violet base. Let's see what we can pull from this. Card for you guys. Torkoal, Scovillian, Growlithe, Marip, Miraidon EX, and Water Energy. Not bad for the first pack. We got ourselves a nice little hit. Oh, where can I put that? Where do we see you? Where do we see you? Right there. 2 white code cards in a row. I don't know if that's still a thing, but that's for you guys. All right. We got a Zangoose, a Krogunk, the Dene, Curlia, Mesagosa, Heracross, all the cards, Defiance Band, a Dolive. Ooh, nice. Miraidon EX Secret Rare Gold card. That's real nice. Yeah, I love opening cards. I'm not even a big fan of the gold cards. Well, I wasn't a big fan of the gold cards, but I'm starting to really like the gold cards in Scarlet Violet. Like that's a pretty good looking. It's a pretty good looking gold card right there. Let's hit the evolved. By force of habit, I still want to shuffle the cards around and do a little pack trick, but they made it so easy. All right, Tink-a-Tink, Makuhita, Magikarp, Ormo, Gotharita, original name, Honchkrow, Larvitar, Lemora. Oh my god, yo, these... I apologize to everybody. This tin is great. I love that this tin has got Scarlet Violet packs. Look at this. 3 packs, 3 hits. Last Paldea. We can't get something else. If we get something else right now. Sharudo. Phalanx. Jigglypuff. Adbulb. Pelipper. Fletchinder. Vigoroth. Cerulege. Chinpow EX. Yo, that tin was absolutely stacked. 4 packs, 4 hits. Don't tell the Pokemon Company. Yeah, let's just do that. Nobody really cares about the EXs these days anyway. Although that Chinpow, I don't know if people are still playing with it, but I remember it being fairly decent. Well, I guess for an EX, I guess an expensive card. I wonder if it still is. These are just some Paradox Rift that I have from whenever it came out. Yamisk, Spinda, Tink-a-Tink, Abapom, Snorlax doll. Oh, so Tinkaton. So that's, I'm pretty sure, like, I know the regular is like almost like a $3-4 card now. So this is probably like $5 being reverse holo. That's actually a nice little grab. Oh my god. Holy shit, we're 5 for 5. I did weigh the packs. I took the heaviest packs I could find, and I said, let me do an opening. Jesus Christ. I'll be honest with you, I've actually never even seen this card, the Veluza. I've never even seen that card. That's a really nice looking card, though. Okay. Technical difficulties. Good card. Oh. Hulk. Spinda. Tink-a-Tink. Tandemus, whatever. Weeble. Defiance Vest, Veluza, Turbo Energize, a Plusle, a Parasol Lady, and a Zekrom. I guess the streak had to come to an end at some point. That's not gonna complain. Not gonna say a single bad word for the rest of the video. Card. Little. Nickit. Knackley. Nimble. Simipour. Zebstrika. Luxurious Cape. Trubbish, Mienshao, Melodic. Wasn't there supposed to be? I thought there was supposed to be 2. Oh, yeah. Trubbish is also reverse holo. All right. Is it greedy to even say last pack magic? I think so. Well, let's look for some last back magic. All right. Whisper, Doublet, Surskit, Magby, Wug Trio, Blindside, Iron Bundle, Bound Sweet, Toad's Cool, and just a Morpeko Hollow. Not bad. Very happy with the hits. We got the Miraidon EX, the secret rare gold card. We got the Veluza, which is really nice. Really nice card. I'm gonna have to look at it on my screen. Two really nice cards. We got the Dendra. Waifu Boy's going crazy. Stretching it out. Nice hit. Then the Miraidon and the Qianpao EX. Very happy with that tin. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, whatever it is that you guys want to do. I'll see you guys in the next one.